Bloomberg Terminal costs $27,000 a year. Refinitiv costs $22,000. FactSet costs $12,000. These tools have gate-kept institutional-grade financial data for decades. A developer in India just open-sourced a financial terminal with 100 data connectors, 37 AI investor personas, 19,000 instruments, and a full quantitative analysis suite. Native C++ desktop app. Not a browser wrapper, free and open source. This is Fincept Terminal, an open-source financial intelligence platform built in C++20 with Qt6, 4,300 stars, 742 forks, AGPL licensed. Version 4 is a complete native rewrite. No Electron, no browser, pure desktop performance. Market analytics, investment research, economic data, real-time trading, and AI-powered analysis. All in one application. Download the installer, launch it, continue as guest. No credit card, no subscription, no paywall. Let's talk about what you get for free. 100+ data connectors. Yahoo Finance, Polygon, Fred, IMF, World Bank, DBnomics, Kraken, AppShare, and government APIs from around the world. 19,000 instruments with real-time OHLCV data across NASDAQ, NYSE, Amex, OTC, and CBOE. 18 quantitative analysis modules, DCF models, portfolio optimization, risk metrics, derivatives pricing, and 16 broker integrations for live trading. All of this in a native C++ application that doesn't need a browser to run. And this is the feature Bloomberg doesn't have. 37 AI investor personas. Each one analyzes stocks and markets using the framework of a legendary investor. Warren Buffett's value investing lens. Benjamin Graham's margin of safety. Peter Lynch's growth at a reasonable price. Ray Dalio's macro all-weather approach. Howard Marks's risk assessment. Charlie Munger's mental models. Plus economic frameworks, geopolitical analysts, and hedge fund strategy personas. Pick an investor. Ask them to analyze a stock. Get an AI-powered assessment in their style. That's genuinely creative. The data stack covers the full spectrum of financial research. Market data from Yahoo Finance and Polygon for real-time prices. Economic data from Fred, IMF, and the World Bank for macro analysis. Alternative data from Adanos for Reddit, X, and Polymarket sentiment. QuantLib modules for DCF valuation, portfolio optimization, VAR calculations, Sharpe ratios, and options pricing. Technical analysis with advanced charting. Fundamental analysis with financial statements and company metrics. And a visual node editor for building custom analytical workflows. But here's the honest comparison. Bloomberg has 35,000 employees, 40 years of institutional trust, sub-millisecond data feeds, and a messaging network connecting 325,000 finance professionals. Fincept has one primary developer, $6,500 in funding, and a V4 rewrite that's weeks old. This is not a Bloomberg replacement for trading desks, but for individual investors, students, and researchers. It aggregates 100 free data sources into one interface with AI-powered analysis that Bloomberg doesn't offer. 80% of the research capability, 0% of the cost. Think about what this means for independent investors. Fincept Terminal was built by Tilak Patel in India, 75% of all commits from one developer. He went from a Python CLI in August 2024 to a textual TUI, then a Atari React desktop app, then a complete rewrite in native C++ with Qt6, all in 19 months. Received a grant from FOSS United and $6,500 from Amazon. 4 architecture versions. One developer's determination to democratize financial data that's been locked behind paywalls for decades. Download the installer, launch it, continue as guest. Your free financial terminal is running. Fincept, 100 data sources, 37 AI personas, $0. Subscribe to Awesome FOSS. We find the best open source tools so you don't have to.